Research led by Kansas State University's Assistant Professor Suprem shows potential ways to manufacture graphene-based nano-inks for additive manufacturing of supercapacitors in the form of flexible and printable electronics. The printed supercapacitor research, titled Graphene Aerosol Gel Ink for Printing Micro-Supercapacitors, was recently published as the cover article in the journal ACS Applied Energy Materials. As researchers around the world study the potential replacement of batteries by supercapacitors, an energy device that can charge and discharge very fast within few tenths of seconds, the team led by Das has an alternate prediction. The team's work could be adapted to integrate them to overcome the slow charging processes of batteries. Furthermore, Das has been developing additive manufacturing of small supercapacitors called micro-supercapacitors so that one day they could be used for wafer scale integration in silicon processing. Additive manufacturing is fascinating, cost-effective, and has versatile design considerations. The team has developed supercapacitors that have been tested for 10,000 cycles of charging and discharging cycles, a number that is promising to evaluate the reliability of these devices. The team is also studying the versatility of these micro-supercapacitors by printing on mechanically flexible surfaces. For this, they used 20 micrometer thin polyamide plastic substrates with high reliability. Graphene has been recognized as a one-time material with much potential because of its many superlative physical properties. Many graphene manufacturing methods have been developed across the globe, and graphene has been produced in ton quantities. Technologists, however, are well aware that graphene is not yet in the marketplace because none of these methods have had the right combination of economy, ecology, and product quality to allow graphene to fulfill its potential. But both the methods of producing graphene and nano-inks pursued at Kansas State University are on target to address all of these requirements.